welcome back for another video. So today's video I'm going to be doing a spring jelly floral design, and I already applied my XXL coffin full cover tips. These are from SXC Cosmetics, and then I just adhere these using the glue gel from SXC also. So first I'm going to go ahead and buff the shine off of the nails, and then I'm going to go in with my hand file and file that tab off the tip of the nails as well. I just want to quickly mention that please stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a surprise. So make sure you watch this video to the end and you will see what the surprise is. So this is what the nails look like when I am finished. These are the two jelly colors I decided to use for this set. And I'm going to go in first with that pink color, and I'm going to apply a thin even coat of that over the pinky, the middle, and the thumbnail. And then I used the orange color on the ring finger and the pointer finger. And then after I'm finished applying my gel polish, I do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. I do go in with my cleanup brush and make sure I wipe away any that I get on my skin before I cure. And then here I go in with the SXC top coat just to seal that nail and protect it. And then I do another 30-second cure. So I'm using this nude pink from McCart, and I'm going to add another layer of top coat over the nail. And before I cure that, I'm going to go ahead and use my dotting tool and add dots onto the wet polish, like the blooming. And then once I'm finished with that, I go in with my liner brush, and on all the dots I go ahead and do like an outward motion with the liner brush to make a flower. You do have to work kind of quick because these are small dots. If they bloom too much, it'll look like one blob. So once I'm finished with that, I do go ahead and cure that, and then I move on to the ring finger, and I do the same technique as I did on the pointer finger. These do not have to be perfect because I am placing something in the middle of these. But try my advice would be just try not to have it too close together. And then again, once I'm finished, I do cure that for 30 seconds, and now here I'm adding my top coat. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, like rhinestone wise, I guess. I do know I wanted to add the flowers in the middle of the white part to give it some more, I don't know, dimension or depth or whatever. So I just added another layer of top coat, and then I'm gonna put these pink flowers in the middle of those, as you see here. And then I go in and add smaller ones, and I do the same thing on the ring finger as well, but using the orange ones. I got these on Shein. These were featured in my haul video, but I will link them down below for you guys as well. They do change color when you cure them, when they go in the light, but it goes away after a while, and it's not a huge deal to me. Because if you put your hand under cold water, they'll go back to their natural or normal color. So obviously, if you're taking a picture when you're done, just let your nail cool down, and it'll go back to like the original color. So again, once I'm finished placing my flowers onto my nail, I do go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. And these are all the rhinestones that I picked out to use. I don't use all of these. I think I pretty much just stick to that one that I'm opening now. But these are all featured in my last haul video as well. So for the pointer, the pinky, and the thumb, I'm going to just apply a top coat to adhere these. So you could see on the finger I had already applied some rhinestones, and I didn't like the placement of them, so I just popped them off. And then I'm going to go in and redo it. These are all orange colored ones, orange colored rhinestones. And then I do use this big rose. This is from Your Nail Lab. I got this in the April box. So I do, different designs on all the nails. Not designs, but different placement of rhinestones. And then I add my cuticle oil, and this is what the set looks like, guys. I am obsessed. I love the jelly, like I've said. These nails are so pretty. This is not something I would particularly gravitate towards, but I'm trying to go outside of my comfort zone here. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I think these turned out amazing. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye, guys. Surprise giveaway. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment enter me down below, and give me at least one suggestion for a future video. So there will be 2 winners. I have 2 of these, and you'll be winning the SXC Cosmetics XXL nail tips and glue gel kit. There will be 2 winners, and the winner will be announced on Tuesday, May 10th. Now that's all you have to do to enter this giveaway, and good luck, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.